Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today we got a 2010 BMW 528i. And what I'm going to do is show you how to replace the cabin air filters with an S on the end. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, what we got here, here's our two new cabin air filters. This vehicle requires two. A lot of cars only have one. And over here, we got a brand new cabin air filter cover for the driver's side, because somewhere along the line somebody said mine, and they took it and they took the filter along with it. So here we go. Let's open up the new pack. Alright, and you want to pay attention that these filters, actually it tells you, this way up. You got the little arrow on them. Now guys, these are very, very, very important. They're just as important as the air filter on a vehicle, because what happens is your blower motor, now a lot of people might not know what the blower motor is, but when you cut your heat on, the AC on, that air that's coming out of there, that's being forced out of there by your blower motor. Now your blower motor, in order for it to work properly, it has to get air coming in, and then it forces that air out. And now the air going in is through this filter. If this filter gets clogged, that blower motor over here has to really struggle now to push that air out, which causes your blower motor to burn out prematurely. And there you go. You're going to burn it out, you're going to replace it, and then about 2 months later, you're going to do it again. And you're going to blame it on faulty parts, and it's not. And it's all because of a cabin air filter. So let's get right to it. Alright, let's start over here to this one over here. Now, these covers, here's the cover, and it's held in by a, what you want to call that, Civvy? A latch. Yeah. There you go. So that's all you have to do. Now you can get a little screwdriver and pop it off the little edges right here, or you can just take your hand and pop it off like that. Pop it off. It hooks into these grooves, into these slots right here. So you want to pick it up. Oh, oops, this one got a little plug on it also, right here. So let's unplug it. But put that, unplug that. And over here, the other one, push the little latch down, unplug it, pick it up, and pick it out. Let's turn it over. There's our filter. So let me set this down, guys, and put this stuff up, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, let's get this filter out of here. And what you want to do is just grab right here, pull it back, pick the filter up. Now, pay attention. Look at that arrow right there. So we got to make sure we put the other one in, it goes in the same way. The filter got a little dirty. There's some dirt in there. Every little dirt will affect it. Alright, let's get our new one. Now you all notice the new ones are slightly different. The little ones are encased in like a plastic, which is really good, because also there's a little flap. You need me to... Yeah, but you can't...
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, that little flap serves as a gasket around the edges. So, let's turn this around. It doesn't matter which way, I just want to show you the arrow. There's our arrow. So what we're going to do is push it down. And see how nice and tight that fits in there? Over here. Oops. And get that down in there. With the plastic in there, it does make it a little bit tighter, but it'll fit in there. There ain't no problem at all. Okay. There we go. Look at that. And because of that flap around there, it seals up against the edges. That one is done. Put that down. Let's go over to our new cover that we got. Get our new filter. Take our arrow. Make sure it's facing down into the cover. Okay, then go over here. Push that down, just like that. That is perfect. Now, let's get this out of the way. Next thing we're gonna do is put this on. Now notice that we took this cover off and we wasn't supposed to be able to take it off that easy. See that little latch right there? That locks this cover into place, which it was not turned. So what you're gonna do is, on the other side, there's a 13mm hex head on it. And what you wanna do is turn that counterclockwise till it stops. Looks like somebody had that done already, but they didn't turn it back to lock it into place. And there's a little stop right there. So turn and lock. Matter of fact, let me get my 13mm thing and watch me turn that and see how it locks right into place. So be careful when you turn that. Don't turn it and mess it up. Turn it back. Stop. Alright, let's get this back in there. Alright, you got our tabs right here. Line them up with the slots. Put them in. Get our harness. Lower it down. Make sure it fits into place good. Take our latch. And we're going to lock that into place. Perfect. Let's get our harness. Dang it, I should have put that harness in there before. Now you tell me, Civvy.
No, I wasn't watching.
Alright, let's back this back off. Okay. Let's hook up our harness first. Okay, now let's get that in there.
What are those for?
One of them looks like it's for the hood latch, and the other one, I'm not sure.
For the hood latch?
I mean, the hood opening up. Let you know the hood is open.
Oh. And the other one, you say you're not sure?
I'm not sure what that's for.
I thought you were Astral.
I am. I can fix it. I mean, if I had to learn what it was for, I would. Alright, that's in. Let's take our 13mm socket, and we're just going to turn this clockwise until it stops. And it locked it right into place. There we go. Alright, let's go on to our other side. Now there's nothing to connect or disconnect over here. So let's get us same thing as the slots. Get our slots lined up. Stick the slots in there. Okay, push it down. Here's our latch assembly over here. Latch it closed. Both sides. That is done. Last thing but last thing least. How does it? Last but not least, turn this clockwise till it stops and locks into place. There you go. Perfect, guys. Job well done. Yeah, boy. Alright, we'll be right back.
Okay, today we had a 2010 BMW 528i, and we showed you how to change the cabin air filters, and also we talked about the importance of changing the cabin air filter. So it was easy peasy, put it in your pocket. If you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comments section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.